If you want to learn how to make this macaroni and cheese, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so today we're going to be cooking macaroni and cheese, babe. So, the ingredients you're going to need is some elbow macaroni. You're going to need some cheddar, some mild cheddar, sharp cheddar. You know, those, excuse my eye cover. I burnt a plastic bag over, little Walmart bag while I was on the eye. I know. So I got a block of that, and I got a 4-cup bag of this cheese. And then you're going to get some evaporated milk, egg, flour, a pot, and we're going to get it boiling, water boiling. We're going to go ahead and cut the noodles. So, the elbow noodles that we bought, we're going to cook them. I don't measure nothing. I'm sorry, but in the boiling water. I don't want that much. I'm not gonna make a big quantity. Depending on how much you make of it, that really depends on how much you need, how much macaroni you need. I don't put a lot of noodles in my macaroni, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get them boiling. And we're gonna stir them so they won't stick. Some people use oil. I use oil to get them not to stick, but I don't think I have the oil right now. I think I have oil, but I don't think I can get to it right now. So I'm going to use a dash of salt just to get it not to stick. I'm going to stir. We're going to get these noodles to a boil, and the bag says 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. To put our timer, we want about 10 minutes. And let it go. Start periodically. Okay. Now for the sauce. So now we're going to get ready to do the cheese. Cheese up into blocks. So we're going to throw the little blocks of cheese in the pots. The canned milk. Another canned milk. I might need another pan. It's probably too little. Might be okay. And then we're gonna get your egg. And put the egg in there. Then we're going to get a scoop of flour. Pepper. Get to stir your noodles. We're just gonna wait till these 5 minutes up. And that's all that goes into your sauce. For the macaroni and cheese, and you can add a little bit more cheese if you want. Let's shred it. Yeah. We're gonna drain them. The noodles are done, so we're gonna take them off the iron. So I have my sauce on medium. Sorry, I'm cooking chicken too. But anyways, I have my sauce on medium, and I just put it into this pan because it's too small. You need to stir, and you're gonna continuously stir. I broke down the eggs, so you'll see the eggs. You can see the eggs floating. You just want to stir until it's a thick consistency. If it doesn't get really thick, you want to add a little more flour. It takes time and patience, y'all. Y'all just gotta get it going. Okay, as you can see, you guys, the cheese is breaking down to really turn into a sauce. It takes a while, but it will get to a sauce. I'll be back when it gets okay. So we have our sauce, and you don't want it to get too hot because it's gonna turn lumpy. I'm just gonna stir the rest of this cheese in here. Put some more cheese in here and some more flour. So I'm gonna stir this in. I think it's okay. So I guess I'm gonna put it in this pan. So I got a pan like this, and I'm gonna put my noodles. I'm gonna put our noodles in this pan. Put our noodles in here. And so I stirred it all up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cheese. We're gonna sprinkle the cheese on top.
We're gonna spread it out. And then we're gonna put
How you make my lovely macaroni, honey. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So high in here, been smoking on this. Told him go and take a shot on 3.